What's going on, everybody? My name's Christian Robert. On this channel, we talk about stocks, personal finance, and wealth building. Today, I'm taking you through my dividend portfolio, sharing how much dividends I made in the month of November. And as always, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. We're at 906 subscribers. It would be really awesome to hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you enjoy the content, make sure you subscribe if you haven't. So jumping right into it, you can see that my portfolio is going crazy lately. We're at $161,218. If we look at a 1 month chart, we started the month off at $112,000. So that is nearly a $50,000 gain. If you follow the channel, you instantly know why that is. It's because of one stock in particular. But, for me, outside of that one stock, this is pretty much a dividend portfolio. So I'm kind of, in a weird spot with this portfolio because Tesla really took the portfolio over. So it really doesn't feel like a dividend portfolio anymore, even though that really is what my long-term goals are, is to focus on dividends. But if we look at a 3-month chart, we had a low of 99,000, 6-month chart, a low of 73, 1-year chart. You can see it's been nice and steady raise since it dropped in March during the big crash. We were at a low of 32,000. So, the portfolio's up roughly 130,000 from that point. I contribute a couple $100 on a weekly basis, but that really doesn't make a dent. This is mostly capital appreciation. So now let's jump into the dividends I received. So starting the month off, I received a dividend from JP Morgan for $2.73, General Mills at $2.57, and then I'm just going to go over the bigger ones of the month. $52.06 from AT&T, $11.60 from PNC Bank, one of my favorite bank stocks. $10.52 from Main Street Capital. $29.59 from O Realty Income. $41.54 from AbbVie. $35.58 from BTI, which is a cigarette company. $10.97. This is different. So this is regarding the Pfizer deal. I believe that you had to have so many shares of Pfizer, and they would give you in exchange some shares of this VTRS. But I believe I only have 5 shares of Pfizer, so I didn't have enough to be given a share. So instead, they just gave me a payout of this money. So I included it in the dividends since I didn't do anything to receive this. This was because of Pfizer. Next, we have $9.05 from Starbucks. Now, before the whole Tesla and the whole electric car vehicle went crazy, Starbucks was a stock that I was really focused on buying up. And now it's gone up like everything else, so I haven't been able to add to that. And then a bunch of smaller ones. And then we have $23.33 from SPHD. And so if we add up for the month, I received $250.31, bringing a year-to-date total to $2,792.14. So to me, that is insane given the fact that we have gone through endless amounts of dividend cuts or dividend just non-payments. Like, I have so many stocks still that either are giving a fraction of the dividends or have completely gotten rid of it, like Wynn Resorts, Apple Hospitality. Eventually they will come back, but they have not come back since March. So once those get added to the portfolio, we will start seeing a lot better results. But we are $208 away from hitting the $3,000 mark for dividends in 1 year. I actually don't know if I will have that much come in on December, but It should be close, so that'll be very exciting if we can crack that $3,000 a year mark. But next, I'm going to take you to my M1 Finance portfolio really quick. Now, this is a portfolio that I've really been trying to add money to consistently. With the way my TD Ameritrade is set up right now, with me using margin, I'm not really adding too much. So I'm excited to have this portfolio back and try to start adding to this on a consistent basis to where it's actually buying stocks instead of just kind of maintaining that margin that I owe. So if we look at a 1 week chart, you can see that we were at $13.90 and now we're at $15.50. So that is $160 increase. That is mostly from me contributing. But if we look at 1 month, you can see that November 2nd, we were at $781. So my account has already doubled in the 1 month, which is incredible. I have it positioned now to where I feel pretty comfortable with how the percentages are set up. I have 55% going towards Tesla. I recently just changed this, so it'll get corrected as I continue adding money. Then I have NEO at 10%. I might bring this one up to 15%. Amazon at 5%. QYLD at 5%. SPHD at 4%. Main Street Capital 4%. Then I have aggressive dividends at 2%. This is just a bunch of real estate investment trusts pretty much. Google at 5%. The one thing, if I do notice a nice dip on Google, I will just add a chunk to that directly. So I'm not too concerned about having it such a small allocation. Realty Income at 4%. Slack at 2%. Square at 3%. And then I just added this today. 1% is going towards Tattooed Chef. I'm very bullish on this stock. I have 400 shares in my TD Ameritrade and almost 50 in my Webull. So I'm really bullish on this stock. But I don't want to drag this video out any longer. I'm going to link down below. If you want to sign up to M1, I believe they're giving you $10 for joining if you put like $100 in your account or something. But that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below if you have any questions or any type of videos you'd like me to make. And I will see you guys in the next one.